Shorty said she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la. Go on more screaming moolah la, yeah. Shorty said she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la. Got 'em all screaming ooh la la, yeah. I don't want no love. You know me, I only think about funds. Me, I'm tryna do my own thing on my ones. I'm sorry, darling, I don't want no hugs. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi. I'm 666 Creepypasta Barney. And today, I'm going to salute Alan from Brainiac Adam. But I'm not doing this alone. I'm calling Jigsaw Horror Toil to help me with the salute.
Oh man. I'm so bored today, what should I do? Oh crud. It looks like my phone is ringing. I wonder who is it? Hello. You've reached the house of Jigsaw Horror Toilet. Who is it?
Hello Jigsaw Horror Toilet. This is 666 Creepypasta Barney speaking.
Oh. Hi 666 Creepypasta Barney. How is it hanging?
Nothing much. And to you what I'm going to do. I will salute Alan from Brainiac Adam.
Ooh, that's a great idea. I hope Alan will be a great character. By 666 Creepypasta Barney. Alright 666 Creepypasta Barney, the camera is on. Now you may begin the salute.
Hello everyone. It's me 666 Creepypasta Barney. And I'm going to salute on Alan. Enjoy the video. Alan from Brainiac Adam. Yes. He rocks. He's the best character in the universe. He always liked to cause a lot of trouble with his gang, hitting on girls, and kidnapping someone. Take a look at the man. Do you know who likes this man? Dark Chippy, Dark Charlie the Anteater, Dark Bowser Jr., Dark Hammer Bro and Dark Sledge Bro. They really love him, but they can't. They're still grounded anyways. And do you know who hate this man? Brainiac Adam Nation Rescue Rangers 336 Leela Rossi 909 Master. Of course. They despise them a lot. So liked Alan, and so does Mike and Katie Joseph. I hope the man will be a savage greats. End of salute. Stay tuned for more videos. Alright Jigsaw Horror Toilet. You've recorded perfectly. Time to export it to YouTube now.
When the video is exported.
Wow. The video is exported. And we have 350,000 views. And let's look at the comments.
Oh shit. It looks Brainiac Adam called our parents. We're dreadfully busted giga time.
666 Creepypasta Barney. Come downstairs this instant. You are in mega trouble for this. Jigsaw Horror Toilet. What on earth are you doing in the living room? Tell us the truth, pronto.
Well, you're going to be furious when we answer the truth. Yep, we saluted Alan from Brainiac Adam.
You did what? Oh, that's it. Go home right away while we're dealing with 666 Creepypasta Barney.
"666 Creepypasta Barney. We cannot believe you saluted Alan from Brainiac Adam. You know saluting bad things, hated characters and villains and bad users can give you an account terminations. That's it, young man. You're only grounded for 2 weeks.
Your mom's right. You're grounded and that's final. Go to your room, otherwise you'll sent to Taiwan.
At Jigsaw Horror Toilet's house.
Jigsaw Horror Toilet. How freaking dare you salute Alan from Brainiac Adam along with 666 Creepypasta Barney. You realize saluting hated characters is wrong. That's it. You're grounded. This time, for 2 weeks.
Go upstairs to your room and stay ashamed. Or else we'll send you to Taiwan as the taste of your own medicine.
Wow.